You see, if you don't see your fretboard clearly, seeing where the notes are, then you're holding yourself back. Being able to get around on your instrument is very important. Even if you know up here the notes to all your chords, scales, things like that, the tools that we use to improvise, you have to, that's great, but you have to be able to find them on your guitar. So grab your guitar and let's try something. Let's take the second string, B, and together we're going to play all the sharps and flats on this string up to the 12th fret and then come back. Let's say all the flat notes going up this way and then the sharps coming back down. Say all the notes with me out loud, okay? I'm going to go a little bit fast. So let's see what we can do here. D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, back down, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, D sharp, C sharp. I'm sorry, did I go a little fast? Now I don't want to make you feel bad if you had trouble saying the note names. Trust me, I'm not here to make myself look superior and to make you look inferior. What I do want to do is inspire you to work towards learning the notes on your fretboard, perhaps better than you do right now. Wait until the end because I have something you probably can't live without that I'm going to tell you about. Let's do something a little easier. Let's play the notes on the third string, the G string. But we're going to name the natural notes this time, okay? G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G. Was that a little easier? Well, if it was, you know what that means, right? It means there's hope for you yet. Well, if you want to have your eyes opened and learn your fretboard once and for all and know the notes maybe better than you do now, know it so well that there won't be any dead spots, then I've got something really cool for you to try. If you want to nip this in the butt, then I would love for you to join this 10-day challenge with me. It's absolutely free, won't cost you anything. Each day you will get a new lesson to work on. Then when the 10 days is up, you'll actually have done it. You will have learned your fretboard so much better than you probably do now. Each daily lesson is super short and is designed to get you to know your fretboard inside and out. Join me and everyone else and learn your fretboard once and for all. Each day of the challenge, you will be emailed a new lesson, all for free. So let's do this. You can find the link below to join. I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments what are some of the things that you might be struggling with when it comes to learning jazz, guitar, chords, or different theory questions, whatever. I want to hear from you. You just might find your ideas in a future video.